Hi, my name is Vera and I'm the owner of UV Latin Dance Academy in North Miami Beach, Florida. We teach salsa and bachata to adults and kids. One day my office manager called me from the office telling me that our external hard drive had gone completely blank and we had lost all of our data from the last 5 years that we had worked really hard to build up. All of our videos, documents, agreements, our taxes, everything. So we went online and we started researching what we could possibly do to get it back, and we came across Secure Data. We called Secure Data and we spoke to Timothy on the phone, and I have to say he had amazing customer service. He put us at ease and he made us feel as though we had some hope to get back all of our documentation. All of our documentation was on a Mac and our time machine failed us completely. UV Latin Dance Academy would like to thank Secure Data, not only for their amazing customer service, but also for retrieving all of our data back. Thank you so much.